Hello and welcome to the very final episode of Season 1, Episode 10 of Product Research. Absolutely have been killing it. I am around $25,000 this year as my side hustle. That's a little bit of a recap this year. I'm almost at 30K for the year. We still have the entire month of December. I'm definitely going to be hitting 30K. That's definitely my goal. Sales kind of went down this month, as you can see. It is election time, so October to November, sales are definitely going to be dropping. People are a little bit more careful. As we go into December, the sales are going to be picking up again. It's holiday time. People are going to be shopping for presents. Taking advantage of what time of year it is. It's super important when it comes to making money. So what I'm going to do now is jump over to AliExpress and hopefully we can find some absolute banger products. We're going to be comparing them to what we have on eBay and seeing if we can make some money in the middle. Just keep in mind, I do post them in the Money EDU Discord channel. There are a ton of cool products in here that are worth tons of money. So definitely go in here, check these out. Let's use December as our advantage to try to make $30,000 this year. The way I'm going to be doing that is buying gift-related items or looking for gift-related items that people would get. Clothing is always a good one, especially on eBay. Something like that. Cookies sweatshirt immediately stands out to me. We're going to click on that. We got the colorful ones. Now I don't see the same color combo, but I do see a price difference. One important thing to check is you click on, let's make it a little bigger, click on advanced in the top right, go down to sold items and hit search, and then you can see how frequently these things sell. Right now it's Christmas sweaters are selling a lot, so they seem to be selling decently frequently. I would definitely take the time to post one of these and just see how it does, and then I can go in and post a few more colors, but post a simple one, a black one. Sell it, just one size and just see how it goes there. We already have a couple pictures we can use for the eBay listing right there. Coming into the holiday season, I see a bunch of holiday sweaters selling, so we're gonna try that. Find something related. Oh yeah, clean. Who doesn't love that? Find the one with the most orders. Looks like Terrifier 2. This is getting a lot of attention. I know the new movie just came out. I mean, you can see a nice jump in price. These are selling October, November 2nd. Yeah, these are out of order, but they're definitely selling. It's certainly a popular movie theme. Coming into the holidays, this might be a good one to post. Very interesting. Came up when I searched it, so it's definitely one of the more popular Christmas sweatshirts on AliExpress. This one is also up there. Right before Christmas. And there's the exact same one for, 1.5 times the price. 20 of them sold. 6 people have it in their cart. This is a perfect one to get into. We could literally just use these customer review photos. Got a bunch of pick reviews. Perfect. Arrived late, but it was worth it. I like the design quite well. Okay, so that's good to know. We got one guy saying it arrived late. So yeah, get some ideas from reading the comments. That's why I find the more popular products, because they have more reviews. So I sorted this one in orders. So the most orders come up first. So we're going to try that one out. Is that the one? It's very similar. We got the white stripes on the arms that we aren't seeing on eBay, but I'll tell you what, it doesn't even matter if we find it. I'm seeing the hoodies at $20 to $38 here, 40 there, 40 there. Pictures are terrible. This listing is absolutely awful. I don't even know what I'm buying here. Like, one person is watching this item, and it's just the most confusing product I've ever seen. There's even money made on these right here. I mean, some of them are Christmas themed, like that. That is absolutely perfect. Look at that. There's just so many different products you can start selling on here. $12 for a hoodie, and you have everything you need here with just reading the reviews. The reviews are coming in really good. Shipping is very quick. Today's the 3rd. Shipping's, a week and a half out. That is perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let's see what else we can find. I'm going to stay with this topic here just because 'tis the season. This is money. If these are 13, you can go in here and sell them for $29.99. Sell a bunch of different designs, make 15 different listings, and these are going to sell. I'm telling you right now. Here's another one, Ravenclaw. Like, people are going to be buying this shit. This one's hilarious. $8, $9. This is money right here. I doubt we're going to find the same design, but sometimes you have to just take a chance. And the good thing is, the way we post these listings is we're not buying these and then selling them. We're simply copying and pasting this photo, reposting it, and then seeing if it sells. So there's no risk other than the loss of time. And if you get good at posting listings, they take maybe 2.5 minutes each. It's definitely worth the time investment. A perfect hoodie for $9, you can sell it for 30 on here, and then give people a 10% discount. You're winning by making some money. Very cool. So awesome products coming into December here. That's going to be how I'm hitting the $30,000 mark. My personal store, I'm going to be selling related items, staying with niche topics like that, sticking with the season. It's definitely an excellent strategy to be making some money. Funny hoodies like this, there's just so many different designs that you can go with. Christmas sweatshirt, you can just look up Christmas. There's going to be something here literally all day. There's something here. Welcome mats. Let's look this one up. A doormat. That is a very cheap doormat. Yep, $20. This is a perfect doormat for $15. You'll make $10 each sale, and you can undercut everybody in here. $4, $5. Let's just look up that. Search, and then we're gonna go to advanced. I'm curious how many of these are selling right now. November 2nd, November 2nd, November 1st, 1st, 2nd. Okay, so a couple a day, but it seems to be ramping up slowly. This wouldn't be the most lucrative item. We can just say welcome doormat for right now and see how they're doing. Tons of them are selling November 2nd. These are $20 at Walmart. If anyone's smart and wants to save money, they jump on eBay. They find what they like and they get it. 533 people watching this huge market for doormats. Absolutely incredible. Might need to tap into this one myself. $28. One sold. 19 people are watching this item. That is killer. If 19 people are watching something, it will sell very quickly. There's definitely demand for this. $28 on these. This one is more so the one I'm looking at here, but this is 33 cents. And onward. We're just going to be going through this category right here. We just keep getting recommended, and I guarantee you every single thing in here is worth money. I know these for a fact are worth money. What is that? Hunter from Bloodborne? Bingo. It's the same one. Wow. $21. 30 sold. From Nanyang, China. Is that even a real place? Now I'm curious. Oh, it actually is. I'm going to start making my listings out of Nanyang. That's hilarious. This does not come from Nanyang. From Speedpack AliExpress, 30 of them sold. 134 people are watching this item. Imagine you post yours at $19.95. You make $10 a pop. You're gonna wipe everybody out. Cool. On to the next. Let's see what we can find here. Pikachu plush backpack for kids. Bring it over. There it is. Same exact one. Same picture with the same books. They're selling it for $21, $22. We get them for $133. You could post this for $15 and free shipping. Make some sales and, just do a better job than this guy. He's only got one photo, so terrible listing he's got here. And the fact is, he's making sales. These are all coming from China. $4, $5 for this one. $3 shipping. We've gone down a absolute rabbit hole looking for money. I think we found it. $5 for these. $3 shipping, so they're $8, and they're definitely popular. It's a very niche, specific item, but sometimes you have to expand your open-mindedness to start making some money. Let's see what else we can find. These Christmas projection ones, $15, triple there, $20 on these. These will be selling for the holidays. Those are the exact same photos. People are planning ahead already on eBay. Tons of stuff posted. He's just doing it very poorly. This guy needs some money, EDU, wisdom. Esports, Team Faker, Zeus, Kira, Gymnasi. I'm sure these are also worth some money. $11 or 2 for 20. Esports jackets, these are definitely high quality jackets. You can sell these for $50 or more. So yeah, the main lesson of all these videos in this series is go through AliExpress. There is money to be made at every single corner. It's actually unbelievable. The whole point of me making this series is to find just wacky different products, and you're able to make money on all of them. That's what I'm trying to prove. That's the point I'm trying to make with all of these. I guarantee you, just take a random thing you click on, check it out on eBay, and find yourself some money. Now, this isn't the exact same product, but the same brand. Looking at 12 sold for 22, we get them for 5. Guarantee you, if you keep looking, you can either find the same one, and if you don't find the same one, sometimes you can add value to a market by introducing a new product entirely. So even if you don't find the same one and it's popular on here, give it a shot on eBay. You might make some money on accident. That's going to wrap it up for the final episode of Product Research. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for Season 2. I have big plans coming. Season 2 is going to be completely different from Product Research. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.